This blood belongs to Chimari. When the police officers uh, look upon the blood samples, it is indicated that Chimari that belongs to Chimari. Why is it so? Why it has happened? Because Dinendra used to beat her very rudely every day with the help of this steel chair. If he couldn't get it, he will take anything what he have in his hand. This is the reason she was being every day tortured. This violence made her to make such a plan. When talking about the story, this story starts from the Sri Lanka. From Sri Lanka, they both belongs to Sri Lanka. They were a medical student after completing their